Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn what is the vision, mission and objectives and their relationship with the strategic cost management. So let's understand vision, mission and objectives and strategic cost management. A company's vision is what the company would like to achieve. What company wants is vision. A vision statement must be challenging and generally states an ambitious future. If it is challenging, only then the company works hard to grow, or else it can be achieved easily and growth can be limited. A good vision statement must motivate employees and managers to work towards the common organization goals. Ultimately, it would help to achieve ambitions of the company and lead to growth. Even my channel has vision statement. You can check out on about tab of the channel. Vision of my channel is being at the edge of creative teaching to grow and prosper along with learners. Understood? A company's mission statement is a statement of the company's reason to be. It seeks to answer the question, why does the company exist? Why this company exists and what it wants to do are the parts of its mission statement. It might also include a statement of organization value and major goals. A company's mission statement must be customer focused and not product focused, as the customer is the king and they are reason of existence and growth of the company. Practical scenario of Mr. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, is given in the module. Mr. Satya Nadella has expressed his disappointment with the mission statement of Microsoft set by Mr. Bill Gates years ago, which was to put a computer on every desk and in every home. According to Mr. Satya Nadella, this mission statement had some limitations. This mission statement had finite goals which the company has achieved now. To drive the company forward and force it to innovate beyond the traditional statement, Mr. Satya Nadella proposed a new mission statement to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Previous mission statement was focused on product computer, but in today's world, the computer has compacted to laptop, iPad or smartphones. Mr. Satya Nadella changed the focus of mission statement from product focus to customer focus. Are you getting it? Even my channel has mission statement to guide learners to the path of success with easy, sound and profound learning. Clear? Mission statement of organization purpose and helps to address the following questions. First one is, what kind of products or services will the company offer? Products or services are the operations of the company on which it is working. Second is what type of customers does the company seek to target? Customers are the ultimate reason of success of the company. It helps to decide what are the customers to be targeted. Third one is, which is the primary market for its offering? Primary markets can be identified with the help of it. And the fourth one is, what is the area of operations? That is geographies. Area of operations can be identified with the help of it. Clear? A company's objective is a precise and measurable future state that the company wants to achieve. The purpose of objective statement is to specify what needs to be done in order to attain the company's mission or vision. My channel's current objective is to upload short concept-wise videos of each concept of CA Final Paper 5, Strategic Cost Management and Performance Evaluation to achieve the mission and vision of the channel. Got it? The fundamental purpose of strategic planning and management is to align the vision and mission statements. A company's strategy is directed towards achieving a sustained competitive advantage. As discussed in earlier videos, a sustainable competitive advantage is achieved by product differentiation and cost leadership, and both of them are part of strategic cost management. And strategic cost management is hence closely linked to the vision, mission, and objectives of the company. So, hope you are clear with the concept. Hey guys, hope you have learned from this video. So please like and share the video, comment if you have any doubt or a suggestion, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Keep watching, keep learning. In short, it is quick. Thank you.